behind the walls or outside the building. There's no visible machinery, no roaring engine, just quiet cooling that somehow works every time you press a button. But that simplicity hides a design choice that completely changed how modern air conditioning works. So what exactly is a split-system air conditioner? And why has this particular design become so common in homes, apartments, and offices around the world? Let's break down what makes split systems different and how they quietly cool our spaces right here on History of Simple Things. A split-system air conditioner is a cooling system that consists of two separate units, which are installed indoors and outdoors respectively. The indoor unit is responsible for distributing conditioned air throughout the room, while the outdoor unit expels heat collected from the interior to the surrounding environment. The two units are connected by insulated refrigerant lines, electrical wiring, and a condensate drain that removes moisture from the air. Because the system is split, it does not require a large window or wall opening like traditional window air conditioners, which makes installation more flexible and allows for a cleaner, more discreet look inside the room. This separation of components is also what allows the indoor space to remain quiet, as the noisiest parts of the system, the compressor and the condenser fan, are located outside. The indoor unit is the part of the split system that people interact with daily and is central to the comfort it provides. Inside, it contains an evaporator coil, a fan, and an air filter. Warm air from the room is drawn into the indoor unit and passes over the evaporator coil, which contains cold refrigerant. As the air moves over the coil, heat is absorbed into the refrigerant, cooling the air, which is then blown back into the room. The air filter captures dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, helping improve indoor air quality. Proper maintenance of the filter ensures that airflow remains consistent and the system operates efficiently. Because the indoor unit houses no compressor, it is quiet, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living areas where noise can interfere with daily activities or sleep. The outdoor unit manages the most energy-intensive and noise-producing parts of the system. It contains the compressor, condenser coil, and a fan designed to move heat away from the refrigerant into the surrounding air. After the refrigerant absorbs heat indoors, it travels to the outdoor unit where the compressor raises its pressure and temperature. The heated refrigerant then passes through the condenser coil, releasing its heat to the outside air. The fan ensures that this heat is expelled efficiently. By placing the compressor and condenser outdoors, the system avoids excessive heat and noise indoors. This setup also improves energy efficiency because the system can more effectively reject heat to the open environment. At the heart of a split system air conditioner is the refrigeration cycle, a continuous process that transfers heat from the interior of the building to the exterior. The cycle starts with liquid refrigerant entering the indoor evaporator coil at low pressure. As it absorbs heat from the indoor air, the refrigerant evaporates into a gas. This warm gas travels through insulated copper tubing to the outdoor unit, where the compressor pressurizes it and increases its temperature. The high-pressure gas moves through the condenser coil, releasing heat into the outside air and condensing back into a liquid. Before returning indoors, an expansion device reduces the refrigerant's pressure, allowing it to absorb heat again. This cycle repeats continuously, keeping indoor temperatures stable and comfortable. Split-system air conditioners come in a variety of configurations to suit different spaces and cooling needs. A single split system connects one indoor unit to one outdoor unit and is typically used for a single room or small area. Multi-split systems allow multiple indoor units to be connected to a single outdoor unit, enabling separate temperature control in different rooms while reducing outdoor clutter. Ducted split systems conceal the indoor unit in a ceiling or roof cavity, distributing conditioned air through a network of ducts to multiple areas. While each type varies in installation complexity, control options, and visual impact, all split systems operate using the same basic components and rely on the same fundamental refrigeration cycle to provide consistent cooling. Modern split-system air conditioners are recognized for their energy efficiency, particularly models that use inverter-driven compressors. Inverter systems adjust compressor speed according to the cooling demand, which reduces energy consumption and prevents temperature fluctuations. Installation requires professional expertise, including proper refrigerant handling, electrical wiring, and correct placement of indoor and outdoor units, which increases initial costs compared to portable or window units. Split systems are most effective for cooling specific zones rather than entire large buildings, although multiple units can be installed for broader coverage. Choosing the correct size and type of system, ensuring proper installation, and performing regular maintenance are essential to achieving reliable operation, efficiency, and longevity of the system. Split-system air conditioners have become a dominant solution for cooling residential and small commercial spaces because they offer a combination of quiet operation, energy efficiency, and installation flexibility. Understanding the roles of the indoor unit, outdoor unit, and the refrigeration cycle clarifies why this system has become so widespread. Although professional installation and careful maintenance are necessary, the long-term energy savings, consistent performance, and discreet design make split systems a practical and reliable choice. They exemplify how engineering can simplify complex processes into solutions that seamlessly integrate into daily life, keeping spaces comfortable without demanding attention or effort from the people using them. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.